Hey Christmas cuties! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this simple Christmas wreath with all Dollar Tree products for only $6. Okay, so all we need to make this wreath is our circle base model from the previous video. The link will be in the description, along with one package of the miniature Christmas ornaments. Alright, so this is just me getting started. I kind of spaced them out first, kind of played with how I wanted to position them. There is no right or wrong way to do this. It was just important to me that there are glitter ones and shiny ones and flat gold ornaments all in the same package, and I didn't want any of the same to be next to each other, so I took the time to space them out to where no matching ones were together. And also here, I just took the time to kind of set some of them off center a little bit, turn them to the side a little bit. It looked a little too uniform with all of the ornaments facing straight up. And I liked the way the wreath looked a little bit better once I started turning and placing them at different angles. We got ornaments hitting angles, but it's alright. This is our wreath. And once you're happy with your arrangement of the ornaments, it's time to bust out with your glue glock. Or some people in other regions refer to it as a glue gun. It just depends on, where you're from. Tomato, tomato. Once we're done gluing, we've got another beautiful $6 Christmas wreath to add to the collection. This project was so simple, the residents loved it, and it looks great in the hallways of the facility. And for only $6, you really can't beat that. So thanks for watching. Please watch the next one. If you have any great ideas, please leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Share, like, get me out there, people. And Merry Christmas.